Hey there, welcome back to Easy English Daily.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very fun topic. We are talking about our neighborhoods.
Oh, I love this topic. It is so useful.
It really is. Everyone needs to talk about where they live.
Exactly. So, let's start. Where do you live now?
Well, I live in a very quiet neighborhood. It is a bit outside the city.
Oh, nice. A quiet neighborhood sounds lovely.
It is. It has a lot of trees and a big park.
Wow, a park. I love parks. Is the park close to your house?
Yes, it is. It is just a 5-minute walk.
A 5-minute walk. That is so convenient.
Yes, convenient is the perfect word. It means it is easy and useful.
I use that word a lot. Convenient.
What about you? Where do you live?
I live in the city center. My neighborhood is very busy.
Oh, really? Busy and noisy.
Yes, it can be noisy sometimes. There is a lot of traffic.
Ah, traffic. Many cars and buses, right?
Yes, exactly. Lots of cars, but it is also very exciting.
I bet. What is the best thing about your busy neighborhood?
There are so many coffee shops and restaurants.
Oh, I am jealous. I love coffee shops.
Me too. I go to a coffee shop every morning.
Is it a local coffee shop or a big chain?
It is a small, local coffee shop. The owners are very friendly.
That is wonderful. Friendly neighbors make a big difference.
They really do. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, I do. I know a few of them.
That's great. Are they nice?
Yes, they are very kind. The family next door has a sweet dog.
Oh, a dog. What kind of dog?
It is a small golden retriever puppy.
Oh, wow. Puppies are the best.
They really are. We often talk when they walk the dog.
That is a great way to meet people.
It is. It's a natural way to start a conversation.
Do you have any shops near your house?
Not many. There is a small grocery store.
Just one grocery store.
Yes, just one small store for basic things like milk and bread.
Ah, I see. What about a big supermarket?
The big supermarket is quite far. I have to drive there.
Oh, you have to drive? How long does it take?
It takes about 15 minutes by car.
15 minutes? That is not too bad, I suppose.
No, it's okay, but I prefer walking.
Yes, walking is great exercise.
What about your neighborhood? Can you walk to the supermarket?
Oh, yes, I can walk everywhere.
Wow, that is the great thing about the city center.
Yes, the supermarket is just across the street from my apartment.
Across the street. Wow, that is incredibly convenient.
I know I am very lucky.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is on the fourth floor.
The fourth floor. Is there an elevator?
Yes, thankfully there's an elevator.
Good. Walking up 4 floors with groceries sounds hard.
Oh, definitely. I would be so tired.
Do you have a good view from your apartment?
Yes, I can see the main street and the city lights at night.
That sounds beautiful. City lights are so pretty.
They are, but sometimes I miss nature. I miss the trees.
Yes, my neighborhood has so many trees. It feels very fresh.
Is it safe, your neighborhood?
Yes, it is very safe. It is a peaceful place.
Peaceful. That is a beautiful word.
Yes, peaceful means calm and quiet. No trouble.
I like that. My neighborhood is safe, but it is definitely not peaceful.
Ha ha. Because of the city noise.
Yes, sirens, car horns, people talking, it never stops.
Do you find it hard to sleep?
Sometimes, but I am used to it now.
Used to it. That means it feels normal to you now, right?
Yes, exactly. I am used to the noise. It doesn't bother me anymore.
That is interesting. Human beings can adapt to anything.
True. Is there anything you don't like about your neighborhood?
Let me think.
Take your time.
Well, in the evening, it gets very dark.
Oh, really? Are there no street lights?
There are streetlights, but not enough. Some streets are very dark.
Ah, I see. That can feel a little scary sometimes.
Yes, a little bit. I don't like walking alone late at night.
That makes sense. Safety first, always.
Exactly. What about you? What do you dislike about your area?
The cost of living. It is very expensive.
Oh, yes. City centers are always pricey.
Rent is high, coffee is expensive. Everything costs more.
That is the price you pay for convenience, I guess.
You are totally right. It is a trade-off.
A trade off. Can you explain that expression?
Sure, a trade-off means you give up one thing to get another thing.
Ah, like giving up quietness for convenience.
Yes, exactly. That is a perfect example.
I love learning new expressions. Our viewers will love that one too.
I hope so. It is very common in daily English.
So, is there a library in your neighborhood?
Yes, there's a big library just 2 blocks away.
Oh, I love libraries. Do you go there often?
I go there on weekends to read and study. It is very quiet inside.
That sounds like a nice escape from the noisy city.
It really is. It is my favorite quiet spot.
We don't have a library in my neighborhood. I wish we did.
That is a shame. Libraries are great community spaces.
We do have a community center, though.
Oh, really? What happens at the community center?
They have yoga classes, art classes, and activities for kids.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. Do you take any classes?
I take a yoga class there every Thursday evening.
That is fantastic. Is it a beginner class?
Yes, it is. It is very relaxing.
I should try yoga. My back hurts from sitting all day.
You definitely should. It helps a lot.
Is the community center close to your house?
Yes, it is about a 10-minute walk.
10 minutes is perfect. Not too close, not too far.
Exactly. It's a nice little walk.
What about public transportation? Is there a bus stop near you?
Yes, there is a bus stop at the end of my street.
Oh, that is good. How often does the bus come?
It comes every 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is a long wait if you miss it.
Yes, if I miss the bus, I am late for work.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
It can be. I always try to arrive 5 minutes early.
Smart move. Better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry. Another great idiom.
Yes, it means it is better to be careful than to regret it later.
I use that one all the time.
Me too. It is very popular.
What about public transportation in the city?
Oh, it is amazing. We have the subway and buses everywhere.
How often does the subway come?
Every 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Wow, you never have to worry about missing it.
Never. If I miss one, I just wait a tiny bit for the next one.
That sounds amazing. I am a bit jealous of that.
Haha, it has its perks. Perks means advantages.
Yes, perks. Great word.
But remember, my rent is very high.
True, true. The trade off again.
Exactly. Everything has a good side and a bad side.
That is very true. No neighborhood is perfect.
Right? It just depends on what you prefer.
I prefer nature and quiet.
And I prefer action and convenience.
And that is why we live in different places.
Exactly. And it works perfectly for both of us.
Tell me about the restaurants in your area. What kind of food can you find?
Oh, everything Italian, Mexican, Japanese, Indian.
Wow, so many options.
Yes, yesterday I ate delicious sushi just down the street.
I love sushi. Was it expensive?
A little bit, but it was worth it. The fish was so fresh.
Yum, now I am hungry.
Haha, sorry. What about food near you?
Well, like I said, we only have the small grocery store.
No restaurants at all?
There is one small bakery. They make amazing bread and pastries.
Oh, a bakery. I smell fresh bread just thinking about it.
Yes, the smell of fresh croissants in the morning is wonderful.
Wow, that sounds like a dream.
It is. I go there every Saturday morning for a treat.
What do you buy?
I buy a chocolate croissant and a black coffee.
Delicious. That is a perfect Saturday morning.
It really is. It's my little routine.
Routines are nice. They make a place feel like home.
Yes, they do. Do you have a Saturday routine?
I do. I sleep in a little bit. Then I go to the library.
Sleep in. That means to sleep later than usual, right?
Yes, exactly. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but on Saturday I sleep until 9 a.m.
That sounds lovely. Everyone needs a break.
Definitely. After the library, I meet my friends for lunch.
Do you meet them in your neighborhood?
Yes, usually. We try a new restaurant every week.
That sounds so fun. There are always new places to discover in the city.
Yes, the city changes so fast. New shops open all the time.
In my neighborhood, nothing changes. It stays the same.
Sometimes that is a good thing. It is stable,
True, it feels safe and familiar.
familiar. That means you know it very well, right?
Yes, I know every street, every house, and almost every tree.
That sounds very comforting.
It is. It feels like a cozy blanket.
What a nice description. A cozy neighborhood.
Thank you. I really love it.
I love my neighborhood too, even with the noise and high prices.
That is what matters most, loving where you live.
Absolutely. Your home is your sanctuary.
Oh, sanctuary. That is a big word. What does it mean?
A sanctuary is a safe, private, and peaceful place.
Wow, beautiful word. My home is definitely my sanctuary.
Mine too, even in the middle of a busy city.
Well, this was a great conversation. I learned a lot about your area.
Me too. It was wonderful sharing these stories.
To our viewers, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. You are doing a great job practicing your English.
Listening to real conversations is the best way to improve.
Keep going, keep practicing every day, and don't give up.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy English Daily.
And tell us about your neighborhood in the comments below.
Is it quiet or busy? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
We want to read your answers.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.